good. And I know, and I know, and I know I still could.
It's Halloween. We no longer celebrate Halloween. We no longer go door to door tricking for candy. We have decided that it is no longer something we wish to be a part of. If you can't say, hey, Jesus, let's go outside and go trick-or-treating, and Jesus not be down with it, probably shouldn't be doing it. So we realized, not saying realized like you had an epiphany, like all along we knew that Halloween was probably something that we shouldn't be doing. I remember going out a few years when I was young, and then my dad telling me my brother and I couldn't go out no more. So it's kind of the same thing, how we allowed them to go out a few years. This year's the first year we're stopping. Now, they were having something at my church, but we are so exhausted. This week has been a long week, and it's only Thursday, and we are burnt. You see, I'm making food. You see this sausage I'm cooking. Fettuccine about to go inside the daggone bubbly pot so we can boil that. But we burnt out, y'all. We are grateful to be in the house with heat and love and family, and just being able to just be home together. That is the thankful thought of the day, is being blessed to be home with my family. Let's get back to this cooking. Today's nemesis. So, just finished eating, and this is another place of contention that we must straighten, reorganize, not decorate, but get some organization. So, and I'm a mid-thought mover, meaning I'm supposed to be folding clothes. I am, but this bothers me because I keep looking up, seeing it. Looking up, seeing it. So I gotta fix this before I finish folding and putting clothes away. So, here we go. Oh, I got stuff folded back here from the 90s. Now, since I don't have a lot of space to do this completely, we're gonna do it in sections. Let's try not to put my knock my washcloths on the back of my washing machine. You know, when you get to that point where all the energy you thought you had in the beginning is dwindling. It's almost 9, and I'm tired, and I don't want to do this no more. I'm good. Like, I'm about to just leave these folded baby blankets. They just gonna be where they at. And I'm gonna get to these comforters. And I'm going to go sit my brown tail down. I'm tired. I was tired, boss. So, whew, I'm tired. This has officially become the room, the regroup room, the get yourself right room. You see, I have changed clothes. Washing, folding, putting things away, organizing that laundry area. I'm spent. I feel old. Like, that shouldn't have took me out. It shouldn't have affected me the way that it has. I'm tired. I need to go to bed. And I ain't even going to work tomorrow. I'm working from home. So I need all the sleeps. I need all the sleeps. But I'm glad that it is organized. I'm glad it looks neater. I can see everything. I'm telling you, this week is reorganized. That was the tired pronunciation. Reorganize your life. That's what I was trying to say. I don't know. I had a few extra syllables. I don't know what's happening. But I'm tired. You hear roaming in, yelling at the game. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm tired. I shall. And y'all didn't tell me my little head was sticking out on the side earlier. Your girl is spent. I'm spent. I am spent. As tired as I am, exhausted as I am, thankful. Thankful that I have the lung capacity to expel all this oxygen and carbon dioxide and all of that. Routine inhalation, exhalation. I have the body to do that. I'm telling you, I'm trying to be grateful and mindful of every little thing because I am quick to complain. I am a complainer. I realize I'm a complainer. I'm a complainer with no patience. My mom was always telling me, pack your patience. The Lord sees fit to teach me patience every single opportunity at the gas station, at the grocery store, and at school, at work. It's just, there will be some involvement, some situation that will cause me to have to sit and wait on something. It makes me feel like there is no such thing as efficiency or proficiency. It's just, I could do a whole video on patience and how much I ain't got it. Just be trying, y'all. But that is not one of the virtues I have. I love is patient. Love is kind. Look, patience is first. You see how important patience is? Love is patient. Love is kind. Whew. I need to go find that verse. I need to go study and pray on that. I need to pray on the patience. But that's all for today. Quick video. Me driving to work, going to Home Depot, returning something from work, cooking a little bit. Reorgs. Reorg your life. Reorg your mindset. Reorganize yourself to align yourself with the Lord, with God, with Christ. Because without Him, nothing will be done that can be done. Okay? Because John 1 verse 1 tells us, which is my favorite verse of all time, favorite verse in the Bible. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Hey. And on that note, sleep. And I'm pretty sure me wrapping up this household, I will learn patience again.
Sensational. Yeah. What did I do for you, girl? And I know.